Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So for today, I'm going to show you how to get the JS code, the CSS code, and the HTML code of any website that you prefer. So for this to work, simply on your keyboard, press Control S, and then here you can download it as a web page, or you may also opt to right click and then you can select Save Link As, and then you can get the HTML document for this. Now, if we go to our downloads file, we can see it's here already. So just click on that and it will redirect you back to the Amazon web page. Now, to open up the codes and to see the codes, what you want to do here is you want to go to Notepad. Oh, it's already opened on my end, but I'm going to show you how to do it. On your Notepad, select File. On File, click on Open, and then toggle this from text documents to all files, and then just select on your downloaded HTML. And that is the code that we are looking for. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos just like this, only here on Tech Help Guy.